Apple has been a leader in the tech industry for decades, constantly pushing the boundaries with their innovative products. And now, according to a report from gsmarena.com, they are set to shake things up once again. The tech giant is reportedly planning to replace their popular iPhone 17 Pro Max with a new model, the iPhone 17 Ultra. This news has caused quite a stir among Apple enthusiasts, as they eagerly await the release of this highly anticipated device. But this isn't the first time we've heard about a new iPhone model being released. In fact, there were rumors circulating before the launch of the iPhone 15 and 16 series as well. So what makes this report different? Well, for starters, gsmarena.com is a reputable source when it comes to tech news. And with the success of their previous models, it's not surprising that Apple would want to continue their streak with an even better version. But what can we expect from the iPhone 17 Ultra? While details are still scarce, it's rumored to have even more advanced features and capabilities than its predecessor. With Apple's track record of constantly improving their products, it's safe to say that this new model will be nothing short of impressive. From improved camera quality to faster processing speeds, the possibilities are endless. But Apple isn't the only company making waves in the tech world. Google recently announced the release of their latest Gemini 2.0 models, including the experimental flash thinking feature. This update will be available on web, Android, and iOS apps, making it accessible to a wide range of users. And as always, Google is rolling out these updates gradually to ensure a smooth transition for their users. One of the most exciting features of Gemini 2.0 is the free deep research option for both Android and iOS users. This will allow users to access in-depth information on various topics directly from their devices. With the growing need for reliable information, this update is sure to be a game-changer for many. But not all tech news is met with excitement. Amazon's Echo, a popular smart speaker, has recently come under fire for its new policy. According to TechCrunch, starting March 28th, all voice recordings from the Echo will be sent to the cloud. This means that users will no longer have the option to process their requests locally. This has raised concerns about privacy and security, as all voice recordings will now be stored on Amazon's servers. While Amazon claims that this change is necessary for improving their services, many are questioning the implications it may have on user privacy. With data breaches and privacy concerns becoming more prevalent in today's society, it's understandable why this news has sparked controversy. In the ever-evolving world of technology, it's important to stay informed about the latest updates and breakthroughs. Whether it's Apple's new iPhone 17 Ultra or Google's Gemini 2.0 models, there's always something to look forward to. And while not all news may be met with open arms, it's crucial to stay aware and educated on the changes happening in the tech industry. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, be sure to subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology. Who knows what exciting developments are yet to come?